Namaste and welcome to day 12 of Mindful 30 journey, and today's practice is about patience. Yes, I know patience is one delicate topic that is very different. Actually, it's completely different for every individual out there. So I'm going to tell you, channelize the 1% patience, 2000% patience, the amount of patience that you have. Let's work on it in today's practice by putting that patience towards your belief, towards the self-belief, for your own self, for the body, for the mind, and for you. Yes, let's channelize that and let's get started by standing. Get a comfortable position where you can stand, and you're going to place your hands on your belly. Relax the shoulders, relax your chest. We're going to chant Om sound together after the next inhalation. Inhale. I am the most patient version of myself today. Gently relax your hands. Like I said, we're going to start. We already worked on our stillness. Yesterday's practice was about stillness. Well, it's nice to find that stillness today in today's practice as well, if you can continue keeping up with that without putting any burden and pressure on you on today's practice. Let's get started by just getting your legs together and then away. So you just go across your mat, one step, other step, all the way reaching to the next corner of the mat. Super simple, right? Simple movements. And now I want you to do this with your eyes closed. Don't wait for you to see, okay, this is the end of the mat. Just understand by your own intuition, by the touch, that you understand that you reach the border of the mat and then you come back to the center. And then you can change sides. Yes, you don't have to overthink. It's okay if you step off the mat. You know that you're off the boundaries of the mat and then you reverse the direction. Yes, keep it simple, keep it relaxed. Trust yourself. You're starting the patience by building trust on ourselves. And slowly try to see if you can find the center without opening your eyes. So come back to center. And just open your eyes and see where you are. See? Well, I was being honest and this is what I thought was my center. So yes, that's amazing. Alright, from here, all you have to do is get your right knee to your chest. Yes, push your shoulders down. Keep your body long and trust that left feet and relax it out. Spread those toes. Relax your face. Good. From here, you can choose to get your hands behind the knees, under the knee, and pull it more higher, keeping your shoulders down. Yes. A little wobble, a little bit of falling is fine. That means you're trying. Embrace, have fun in all those wobbles. And slowly release. Same thing on the other side. Nothing fancy in today's practice. We're just trying to be with ourselves. Trust ourselves by giving us a little bit of time. The needed time. Find a spot that you can gaze at. And release. Lovely. We all know what a tree posture is. If you have never tried this, you have to take your right leg up. It can be here, it can be here, or somewhere higher, as per where you find your stability and comfort. Now all you have to do is look at one point, join your hands at heart center, relax your shoulders. Once you find that stability, slowly inhale and take your arms up. Stay here if this is wobbly enough for you. Just don't go any further beyond. But if you are somewhere where you find that this is super much more in your axis, get patience into this and slowly turn your upper torso, just your upper torso, towards your left. Don't shift your gaze quickly, slowly, gradually. And just stay there. Keep trying and keep coming back to it. You fall, you get up, you start all over again and catch up where we are. Your knees are going in opposite direction and your upper torso is going in opposite direction completely. Inhale slowly, come back center. We're still here. Join your hands to the heart. And see if you can slowly shift your gaze to the floor. Further down without dropping your head. Your head stays in center. And if you are comfortable, very comfortable, you can close your eyes. And if not, I'm just going to keep looking to the floor for today. Slowly first release your hands. And then slowly release your legs. The way you enter, you try to reverse your way to exit from there. Yes? With patience. Inhale. So do not give up on yourself. If you give up, there's no patience in the process. Yes. Slowly. Hands to heart. With the next inhalation, slowly take your arms up. Keep your gaze locked. And slowly rotate your upper torso towards your right. Be slow in the process. One side is always going to feel different than the other. Relax your face when you're doing this. No strain on your forehead. Focus with relaxation. Slowly bring your upper torso back to center. Your gaze plays a lot of important role when you're trying to balance. So if you suddenly shift your gaze, it will not help you. Slowly get your hands to heart. Stay there. Believe in yourself. Slowly start looking down at the floor. If you want to close your eyes, you can do that. Continue gazing the floor. The beauty of simple practices that tells you so much about yourself. All these balance practices are so directly related to what's happening in your head. If there's too much going on in your head, you'll find it difficult to balance. Don't give up on yourself. Come back to it. Slowly release your hands. And then slowly release your legs. That was amazing. Really nice. From here, you're just going to open your legs wide. Turn out your legs. Come into goddess pose, Kali Asana. Keep your hips low. Join your hands and just close your eyes and just breathe. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on yourself. And don't give up on this process. Let's do it. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Knees and hips in one line. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. One more, I promise. Just one more. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly release. That is so good. All right. Let's come down to seated. And then we're going to lie down. Yes. From here, the option is to keep your legs up and just stay here. All right. Or if you are very much comfortable, you can lift up your hips and go up into shoulder stand. Both of them is an option. Both of them works the same way. Try to breathe. Close your eyes, push your chin away from your chest, push your shoulders down, and just stay. Like I said, you can keep your hips down and do this with your spine on the floor. Don't compare yourself with anything in this process. You are exactly where you're supposed to be and you're doing amazing. You cannot control things that are not in your hand. So let go of the things that you cannot control. Very slowly, either you can go back lying down on the spine or go into Halasana, placing your feet either straight or bent on the floor, and just breathe. Without staying long enough here, just slowly release vertebrate by vertebrate on the spine. Release the legs, lie down straight. Press your head back onto the floor and then release. Let's do this 10 times. Press your skull back on the floor and release. Press your skull back on the floor and release. Press and release. 6 and release. 5 and release. 4 and release. 3, release. 2, release. 1 and release. Look over your left. Center, look over your right. Center, left hold. Center, right hold. Center, we're just going to work through the eyes. So you're going to take your eyes all the way to the left corner, eyeballs to the left corner. Stay. Center eyeball to the right corner. Center eyeball back up, further back and up. Center to the down, towards your toes, further down without moving your chin. Center and close your eyes and do one clockwise circle with the eyeballs. Reverse. Slowly tighten your eyes, squint your eyes and release. Tighten your eyes and release. Last one, tighten and release. Palms facing upwards. Relax. I encourage you to lie down here and just give yourself that much needed relaxation for at least 2 to 5 minutes. With that, I'm going to leave you here for your relaxation. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.